Hi guys, welcome to my channel or another video. My name is Karen. I'm a mama of 3, and on my channel I will be doing cleaning motivation, organization, decor, and lifestyle related videos. If you're interested in those type of videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. In today's video I will be doing loads of laundry, folding them, putting them away, and the products that I will be using will be Gain. I'll be using the laundry soap, fabric softener, and the beads. I also will be using Lysol laundry sanitizer to sanitize the clothes. And at the very end, I will be following up with cleaning the laundry room. And in this first clip, I will be putting a laundry hamper together that I purchased from Amazon a couple months ago. I just wanted something to be able to sort all the clothes through to make the laundry process go by much faster. Just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words no more, no. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but I need to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. As you can see, this washing machine is filthy, It really needs to be cleaned, but I won't be able to do it in this video. You will see that in another video. It has rust on it as well, so I'm gonna figure out some things to repair that, and you will see that, like I said, in another video. So guys, in this part, I'm just going to sort the clothes into the hamper, and that way when I come in to do the next load, I can just grab them right out of the hamper and to start the next load. That way I can get the laundry done much faster.
Closer, yeah, I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah, I can finally start over, yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories, cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low-key.
So if you notice that some of the towels have bleach spots on them, I was bleaching them at one point. I stopped bleaching them because I went a little too overboard with the bleach, as you can see on some of the towels. So now that's why I just use the Lysol to sanitize the towels now.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you. Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Baby, I'ma try to help you let it go. Oh, no. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go.
Hey guys, this is about the end of the video. I'm just going to finish it up by wiping down the washer and dryer, sweeping and steam mopping the floors. I also want to say thank you to the ones who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell and also like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.
About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I